I think it's a really interesting question because I think nobody knows. So I think it's a term that's out there, but actually nobody knows what to do with it. And so there are a lot of like startups who don't know how to make money. And so they all say like, we're going to collect data, but they don't really know what to do with the data. And so they say like, we're going to make money with the data, but they don't know. To get started, I think people shouldn't be carried away with this term of big data, and they shouldn't be carried away with all the like state-of-the-art possibilities that are out there, but I think rather they should take a step back and think about the basic questions that they want to answer and the data that they have available and what they can do with that. So don't fall because you're running too fast. Like take a step back and go slowly and move forward in that way. I think there's, of course, competences and skills of people who know how to analyze data, how to work with the data. But I think more importantly that there's someone who takes charge of this. So someone who actually like can work cross-division or so, who can think of what is the question that we try to answer with the data that we have. So not only have people who know how to work with it, but also someone who knows why to work with it. So you can't make the case of saying we have all this data available, so let us hire some analysts and some like data scientists who can help us analyze. But you have to go to your management, to your top like CEO or C-level people and saying this is the question that we're going to answer and make a business case for that. So why is it important to answer the question and not just say we have the data available and we have to use it. So I think this whole evolution is going to go slower than we think it is. So I think right now everybody hears the buzzword and everybody thinks this is going to change tomorrow the way business work. But I think first of all it's going to take a couple of years before businesses adapt to the possibilities that big data have. And I don't necessarily think it's going to change tremendously the way businesses work, but I just think like a lot of processes are going to go maybe smoother, or they'll be able to calculate certain ratios or let's say codes for certain customers in a much more efficient way. But I don't think it's going to like create like the way in which business or the world currently functions today.